The next one I want to talk about is for students and researchers specifically. So here I have a couple of different sections for writing papers, for researching, for brainstorming and group activities, for creating student assignments and grading for teachers. Specifically for teachers, I have a couple of other prompts on how to work in the model of AI and teach students without focusing too much on memorizations. And then a few other for students on different topics that can help you provide inspiration on how to best use these large language models for your homeworks and assignments. Then we talk about entrepreneurship. So startup idea prompts, GPT can help you actually generate a startup idea. This is a series of prompts that I went through in creating my own startup idea using ChatGPT. So I have listed all the prompts here that I went through. Give it a shot, try it out. This is one of the best ways of learning how to work with the model by working on a project end to end with the model. You will understand how it behaves and how it responds. So have the list of all the questions I asked it regarding my new startup idea. It actually came up with the idea with me. So I started with brainstorming. So walk through these, take a look, try them out on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. For new businesses and startups, so for example, a list of things to do, idea generation, um, customer acquisition, pricing model or framework, a list of features, benefits, and USP, target customer profile. So these are the things that can help you understand and hone what are the core fundamentals of any business or your business, and then work with that and understand what needs to be done to improve it or start a new business. Now here's another list of useful prompts for businesses that I found from various resources that can help you out. Prompts for providing guidance in different fields for businesses. For instance, marketing my small business, setting up a website, financial management, legal and compliance, identifying potential customers, competitive advantage for small businesses, customer service and support for my small business, scaling up with innovation and creativity. So this can help you as a startup founder or a small business, or if you're looking for new business ideas, this is the page for you. It can help you understand better what the business could do by providing the relevant information to the large language model and running it through these series of prompts to understand the business really well. The last one that I want to talk about is business documentations. So here I have provided a couple of prompts that can help you write templates, frameworks, and actually write the entire business plan, marketing plan, and strategy plans. So once you have your startup idea ready and you actually want to implement it, the first thing you will need is to create some written documentation for your business, including a business plan, marketing plan, an operational plan, uh, a strategic plan. So these prompts can help you achieve that task.